Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Hello viewers. In this video, you will learn how to manually reissue a partially used e-ticket for a difference in fare and tax. In this scenario, the traveler wishes to modify the return date from Dubai to Jeddah to 25th March for the same flight. Before modification, it recommends to check coupon status for issued e-ticket. TWD as transaction to display an electronic ticket. / letter L as the line identifier and 7 as PNR element line number for issued e-ticket. Here, coupon 1's status is F flown means used and coupon 2 status is O for open means unused. To check penalty rules for issued fare basis. First display fare quote display with FQD as transaction, then JED Jeddah, DXB Dubai 3-letter codes for origin and destination, /A as airline identifier, SV Saudi Airlines to letters code, /C as booking class identifier, letter V as booked class of service, /letter D as date of travel 15th March, /letter R with comma sign as identifier for fare request type, and 15th March for ticket issued date with year 2020. Issued ticket fare basis is on line 3 of fare quote displayed on the screen. FQN as transaction to check fare notes. 3 is line number for needed fare basis, display sign, PE as penalty rule category identifier. For a reservation change, there is no penalty charges for issued ticket fare basis. E3 tax is non-refundable. We must collect E3 tax amount in order to reissue ticket. TTE as transaction to delete TST. / all means all attached TST to PNR. TST deleted message to confirm all TST deleted from PNR. Change reservation to the required date 25th March and save the changes. FXP as transaction to price itinerary, / letter S as segment identifier, 2 as PNR line for the flown air segment from Jeddah to Dubai. Comma sign, 3 as PNR line for new booked air segment from Dubai to Jeddah. / letter R and comma sign as identifier for fare request type. And 15th March for ticket issued date with year 2020. New fare base for newly returned flight segment. 610 Saudi Riyals are the new fare. It is recommended to write down pricing for comparison with issued ticket. 610 Saudi Riyals is the new published fare. Published fare on the issued ticket was 530 Saudi Riyals. Chargeable fare differential is 80 Saudi Riyals. E3 tax amount 16 Saudi Riyals is non-refundable that must be recharged to reissue new ticket. Chargeable taxes differential is 16 Saudi Riyals. Total chargeable amount for reissue ticket is 96 Saudi Riyals. Save the changes. TTK / EXCH as transaction to initiate the reissue process. / letter T as TST and 2 is record number. Automated letter F as fare indicator has changed to letter R as reissue. Letter X has been replaced as a new tax indication by letter O as an old tax indicator. The D3 tax was similarly changed to an old tax. The total amount has become set to 0 by default. The mode of payment has changed from PNR to the old form of payment, cash. TTU as transaction to update TST record, / letter T as TST indicator, and 2 is record number, / letter S as segment indicator, and 3 is air segment number from PNR to reissue ticket. Update, OK, means that air segments from Dubai to Jeddah have been changed. TTK/T2 as transaction to update TST record number 2 / letter D as origin destination indicator, followed by JED, JED indicating journey begins in Jeddah and ends in Jeddah. TTK/T2 as transaction to update TST record number 2 / letter X as a new tax indicator, 16 is tax amount and E3 as tax type code, / letter T as total amount indicator, followed by SAR as Saudi Riyals, followed by 96 amounts to be charged. Tax number 9 has been updated as a new collectible E3 tax. And 96 Saudi Riyals has been updated as total collectible amount for new reissue ticket. Cash is an old form of payment. Not valid after has already updated itinerary pricing time, otherwise, field must be updated for reissue. To display issued e-ticket, enter TWD / letter L as line identifier and 7 as PNR element line number for issued e-ticket. To pull issued e-ticket details, enter FO followed by display sign, letter L as line identifier and 7 as PNR element line number for issued e-ticket. Place the cursor next to E2 at the end of the FO displayed line, / P1 as the passenger number 1 indicator, / S3 as the air segment number 3 from the PNR to reissue. FO as original issued e-ticket data has been updated on line 11 of PNR element. To update the form of payment, enter 12 line number of old or original form of payment from a PNR / letter O as old or original form of payment indicator / cash as a payment method plus sign / cash as a new chargeable payment method / SAR Saudi Riyals as the payment currency 96.00 chargeable amount. On line 12 of the PNR element, the form of payment method has been updated. Save the changes. Before reissuing a new ticket, enter TWD / letter L as line identifier and 7 as PNR element line number for issued e-ticket. Enter TTP as the print e-ticket transaction, P1 as the passenger number 1 identifier and S3 as the third segment of PNR to issue. OK etiquette well issued message means ticket has been issued. PNR retrieval. On line 9 of the PNR element, the new issued e-ticket has been updated. That's it. You have learned how to manually reissue a partially used e-ticket for a difference in fare and tax. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.